Hi, my name is Mayuran. I want to walk you through the journey to the DM4Mill by Delaware. So it basically started with gathering like 150 requirements specific to the mill industry based on our 20 years of experience in the mill industry. We identified a gap, so the delta we have shared with SAP, and SAP has acknowledged that we have a gap. And we did some code development together with SAP on the first steps, and we are still doing some code development with SAP to the best run of the SAP DM4Mill. So basically our DM4Mill by Delaware is a plugin running on the BTP. It's covering specific mill requirements like the handling units, the traceability, and combined mill orders. In our demo, we are having an extruded reel, which is slitted to serve multiple customers. So basically, we are grouping together multiple customers with similar requirements. We're doing the slitting process and then assigning those reels to the customers again. It looks like here we have the extruded reel on the left side. We're doing the slitting process, and the outcome is multiple reels with different lengths and different widths. And these reels then can be assigned to different customer orders. So this is how our demo will look like. So I will have a combined mill order consisting of 2 customer orders. I will dispatch and release the order in the dispatch and monitoring app. So at the same time, when I'm releasing it, our model factory will catch raw material and put it into the production supply area of the work center. Then our production operator, he will start the production by using our customized production operating dashboard where our plugin is running on. And our plugin is developed to submit the goods received according to the number of lanes you are slitting. So basically this is the setup we do have here. We have the digital manufacturing as a core. It is connected to the ERP system, the S4, where our orders are created and already linked together and enriched with some characteristics specific to the mill industry. What you see at the bottom is our plant actually. So we have used the laptop, put the SAP Cloud connector and production connector on it to communicate with the model factory. The communication is happening via OPC UA. Now let me show how everything works. I will jump to Digital Manufacturing Cloud, where I've prepared an order. So you're seeing here the dispatching and monitoring app, and you see here the combined mill order consisting of 2 customer orders. So everything is prepared and I'm releasing the order by clicking here. At the same time I'm releasing the order, the model factory is picking a block and putting it into the production supply area. The next step is to show the production on the production operating dashboard. So this is a tile for our production operating dashboard where I'm selecting the respective order. And there we go. So once the raw material is placed into the production supply area, I'm able to start the production. When starting the production, you see the status changing to active. Finally, I can confirm the quantity, like 500 meters. And I can jump into my goods receipts mill plugin. Here you can see all the customer orders behind our combined mill order. I can deliver the quantity of 100, for example, and according to the number of lane, it's multiplying the delivered quantity. So here we have 100 meters of quantity and it's multiplying by 3 as that's the number of lanes, and the delivered quantity is finally then 300 per order. Coming back to our presentation, this development is separated in 4 development cycles. We do have 4 typologies. We have covered the customized part, the basic time and quantity posting and scrap handling, as well as the resource orchestration in our typology 1. In the typology 2, we have developed the DM4Mill plugin, and also considering the time and quantity posting, so we can do the labor on and labor off. That means the labor time tracking. We have integrated the EWM, we have put some inspection points in that, and we are interacting with the machines. We do have upcoming features in future, so they are covered in typology 3 and 4. In typology 3, we are covering the multi-step production. As compared to typology 2, we have covered the side-by-side production. We are still focusing on the edge computing in the next upcoming months. Furthermore, we will highly automate the production in the typology 4.